Yongkang Street is probably the best example of everything I love about Taipei. There are a lot of like vintage shops and little shops that you can explore for hours and hours. I grew up in the southern part of the island, which is Kaohsiung City. I moved to Taipei about 6 years ago. Honestly, I hated this city, everything about it. Like, I'm sweating bullets now. I thought the people weren't as nice, it rains a lot. Gradually, I realized that they just have their own rhythm. It's also very chill, like my hometown, but it is, I guess, a little bit more vibrant culturally and a little bit more international. It's just mesmerizing how they try, but not too hard to get your attention, but they know what they're doing and they're very comfortable with themselves. And I really, really would love to live here after I graduate.